You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of this molecule that's used for muscular physical performance, working out. Two slightly different ways of pronouncing it. The most common standard English, British English pronunciation, also used in the US, is as creatine. 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 You do want to stress a bit on the teen syllable, right? Creatine. It's stress on the cre and the teen syllable, creatine. Now, in the US in particular, it's also correct to pronounce it as creatine. So, creatine or creatine. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.